Hello guys, today we will discuss how to construct a tangent from an external point to the circle. Right? Let us say we have a question. Draw two tangents to a circle of radius 3.5 centimeter from an external point P at a distance of 6.2 centimeter from its center. Right? So first of all we have to measure 3.5 centimeter. So like this is 3.5 centimeter and I will draw one circle, right? This is a circle of radius 3.5 centimeter, right? Let This is the center of this circle, name it as O. Now we have to take another point P, which is at a distance of 6.2 centimeter away from the center. So take a point which is 6.2 centimeter away from the center. This is a point P. Let call this point as P. This is the point which is 6.2 centimeter away from this center. Now from this point we have to construct tangents on this circle. So how we will going to do this? We will take a perpendicular bisector of this line PO. Right? How to do perpendicular bisector? We will open compass more than half and we will cut two arcs and we will join their point of intersection where they will intersect. I will join these 2 points. If I will join these 2 points, I will get a midpoint of line segment PO. This is the midpoint of this line segment. Let us call this point as M. Now taking M as a center and MO as a radius, we will construct another circle like this dotted line. I will construct another circle using dotted line like this. We will construct another circle. So now where it will intersect the previous circle, name those points as A and B. Now join P to the point A and PB. Right? So we will join these. So these are the two tangents from point P. So here is the point of intersection, point of intersection A, and from PA and PB. These are the two tangents, right? And these two tangents are equal. The proof of this, that why these two tangents are equal, we will discuss in another video, and also why only two tangents are possible from an external point. So we will discuss this in a separate video, right? Now the question is how we will get to know that these are the tangents only. This is the question. So the reason behind this, the logic behind this is very simple. If I will join OA, like I have joined this, and OB also, right? So I will find that PO is a diameter of this circle, right? PO is a diameter and PAO is a 90 degree, because angle subtended by semicircle is 90 degree. This is we have learned in class 9 also. And similarly PBO is 90 degree, angle subtended by semicircle. So if this is 90 degree and this is 90 degree, as we know this is radius, POA is a radius, OB is a radius, and this is a line where B and we know also uh, tangent is perpendicular to the radius, as this is a radius and this is a line which is perpendicular to this. That means this is a tangent. That's why we can say that these PA and PB are tangents. Okay, thank you.